Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be doing my makeup, but you're not going to hear my voice. This is the last time you're going to hear my voice. My husband, Junior, is going to do the voiceover. So he doesn't know what the heck my products are, so that should be fun and interesting. So stay tuned and listen to my husband do my voiceover. Enjoy, guys.
Alright, here we go. Let's get this show started. First, we're going to put this thing in my face. Don't ask me what it is because I have no idea. I just know I'm going to put a few dots in my face. Do 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 do. Okay, now let's get this brush. Let's spread this around. By the way, the neck. Do not forget the neck. Very important. You don't want your neck one color and your face another. Be smart, people. Now, I noticed that I put this makeup on my lip. See where it is? Right there? I'm going to taste it right now. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright. Again, just spread it around all over your face, including your neck. Look at yourself in the mirror. Not bad. Not bad at all. Awesome. Next, the genie in the bottle. Put a few dots under your eyes. Use your finger. You scoop up a few blobs and just put like 72 dots under each eye. Ugh, sorry guys. You get this little ball and you pat 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 under your eyes. There you go. Oh, you spread it around too. So basically I'm putting makeup on top of makeup. Yep, here you go. Spread it around under your eye. And do not get it in your eyes, people. You do not want no pink eye. Now let's get this little baby frisbee. Put it in your eye. Oh, I don't know if I can open this. Let me see. There we go. Use your finger. Put it right above your eye. Again, if you don't want your eye to get infected, don't put it in your eye. Not recommended. Pretty sure it says it in the label. Boom. Like magic. Spread it a little bit more. There you go. Next. Guess what, guys? More makeup. So I'm gonna take this highlighter and pretty much highlight my eyelid. Guess what color? Black. I'm so excited to color my face. You gotta focus, people. Gotta focus. There you go. Now the goal here, people, is to not poke your eye out. I don't have to tell you what happens if you poke your eye. Let's go to the left side. Now, if you notice, I'm crisscrossing my hands because I'm right-handed. There we go. Check, check. Let's get this little triangle in the corner of my eye. I don't know why I do it, but I think it looks cool. And then I will color it in. And there you go. Let's do the left side now. Remember, guys, triangle. And then color it in. Alright, I'm all done with that. Recap the highlighter. There you go. Next is eyebrows. Guess what I'm gonna grab? Another highlighter. And guess what color it is? Come on, people, get with the program. Black. All you're doing here is coloring the hairs. Hence the reason why they call it a highlighter. You highlighting your hairs on your eyebrows black. I think that looks good. Next one. Don't mind the sticker behind the mirror. It's just a barcode. I promise. I didn't steal it. I paid for this. I promise. By the way, I don't know if you guys noticed, but this is my Chun-Li look. I hope you guys can try to appreciate my Chun-Li look. I think it came out pretty good. Alright, now we're gonna recap. Fix my hair a little bit. Now we're gonna get the EBG. What that is? The eyeball grabber. This thing is pretty painful, so bear with me. And I'm in pain, but you don't even know it. I'm in pain, but you don't even know it. Not too bad. Let's try this one. And I'm in pain, but you don't even know it. I'm in pain, but you don't even know it. I'm in pain, but you don't even know it. Not too bad. Okay. Now we're gonna use a highlighter. Guess what color it is, guys? You guessed it. So basically the point of this is to curl your eyelashes up. I mean, you don't want to walk around with long lashes and then, you know, being in the way when you're trying to talk to people. So curl them up. I don't know why I gotta make this funny face for. Ah, my boogers. Let me wipe that. Ugh, hair on my cheek. Got it. Let me finish up here. And are we done? Nope, not yet. Almost done, people. Bear with me. Almost done. Let's see. Okay, this right here. This round thingy-majigger. It's basically gonna go on your face. So pretty much what I'm doing right now, I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna dab it. And I'm pretty much gonna put more makeup on top of the makeup that I already have on my face. I tell you once and I tell you again, people, get the neck. Get the neck. Again, the neck is very important. There's a lot of people out there that leave the neck. Very important. Let's get under your eyes. Almost done. Now, close this up. And we're gonna get my little black box. Pink brush. Pink and pink. And brush. By the way, I need to do this fish face. Okay? Brush. If you ain't doing that fish face, you might as well just forget it. You ain't doing it properly. Let's see. More brush. So we're just gonna rub this all the way around, even up and down my face. Yep, up and down my face. Even if it catches my nose, my mouth, I don't care. Hair's in my way. Got it. Let's see. DOSE. Dosey. Get this little black and gold box of Dosey with a little Dosey brush. And guess what, guys? More makeup. You guessed it. So right now I'm about a pound to a pound and a half of makeup right on my face. Nose and chin. Yep, a pound to a pound and a half is all worth it though. Alright, so now I'm gonna grab another brush and smear whatever it was I put on my face a few minutes ago. Now, fix my hair. Let's try on some lipstick. And let's start with the bottom lip. Smear some on there. Alright, let's smear some more. And smear some more. You know what? Let's just empty the whole bottle on my lips. Okay, here we go. Oh, not done yet. Should be done now. Oh, nope, of course not. More on the bottom. And the top. Here we go. Now I'm done. Now that the whole bottle is empty. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay. A black marker. So basically, to do this, you have to be very skillful. So, you basically outlining the bottom of your eyelid. So what you do is, with your ring finger of whichever hand, you hyperextend your skin to the lower portion of your jaw. And pretty much you outline. as so. See? Simple. Next, the bigger marker, or shall I say highlighter or marker, whatever it is. With this, you gotta be careful you don't poke your eye out. After this, it'll be my final look. I'll even get to model for you guys a little bit. Alright, so let me put this down for a minute. Let me fix my little hairs. Model to the left, model to the right, and pose, and pose. All done.
Hey guys, so there you have it. My husband doing my voiceover. That was crazy, right? But this is the final look, guys, as you saw. Cute, right? All right, so I want you guys to comment, like, share my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. Go to my Instagram and share the video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.